To set your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to always read caller names aloud, open Phone app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select Setting, tap Answering and Ending Calls. Next, tap the gray on-off switch next to read caller names aloud until the switch on screen to turn it on. Tap Read Caller Names Aloud and then select Always. By choosing this setting, now your phone will always read the caller names aloud when you have incoming calls. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.